I made Pina Colada pie with crushed pineapple, coconut, and Malibu Coconut Rum. If you're serving this with children, leave out the rum. But this pie is going to be so good. Here's how I made it. Crush 1 1/3 cups of graham crackers and add 1/4 cup of sugar. Add 8 tablespoons of melted butter. And mix together. Press the crust into a pie pan. I like to use the back end of a measuring cup. Drain 20 ounces of crushed pineapple. Make sure to drain the pineapple. Look at all this juice. We could use that juice for a pina colada later.
That sounds like a great idea.
Beat the cream cheese with a mixer. Beat 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Add 1/3 cup of sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And 1 teaspoon of coconut rum.
Woohoo!
Now, if you're making this for kids, don't put the rum in it.
So I'm going to go to bed early.
Maybe we should put 1 more.
Yeah.
We're gonna do 2. Woo! Okay. Now we're gonna just beat that in. Okay, we're gonna add half of the whipped cream to the cream cheese. We're gonna fold that in. We're gonna save the other half for the top of the pie. Fold the whipped cream into the cream cheese. Next, you add the crushed pineapple, fully drained, and 1 cup of shredded coconut. And mix everything together. Pour the pineapple coconut mixture into your pie pan over the crust. We're going to add the toasted coconut on top of the pie.
So good.
After we top it with the toasted coconut, we're going to refrigerate it for at least 4 hours or overnight. The pie was in the refrigerator overnight, so it's all set up. And I took the leftover whipped cream, put it in a piping bag, and added the decoration around the pie. So it is ready to take to my sister's barbecue. This is going to be a yummy dessert. Wait. How is it?
Like a pina colada and a pie. It's so good.
Yay!